Hello guys! So today I'm going to share with you how I draw boys' hair, male's hair, whatever you call it. And I'm also gonna share with you how I draw different types of hairstyles for boys, males, and just grab your pens, pencils, and papers. Just let's hop right into it. Okay, so if you haven't watched this part in my previous how I draw girls' hair video, please pause and click right here to watch. So right now I'm going to show you how I draw boys' hair. Let's start with this one right here. Okay, right now I'm drawing a side parting hairstyle. I'm choosing this side and just draw a line here. That is where you part your hair. So just draw it like this. Forget the hair roots. Bit here and inside. And yes, I've said that I prefer to draw the line like this, lightning shape. Yes. And don't forget the sideburn. And you can add more details into his hair. So when parting hair, I think it's just like this. You choose where you want to part your hair. If you want to part it in the middle, just draw a line and follow this direction to draw hairs. And if you want to part it here, it's the same. Follow the shape of the head and draw the outline of your hair like this. And just don't forget those hair roots inside. Yeah. this. And when you draw this type of hair, I think it's better to draw it like this. I mean, some hairs are close together and some just far from each other. So, like this, close, far, close, a little bit far. Yeah. Just don't draw it like this. It's just not that natural. Okay. And for this one, I think I want to draw a central parting hairstyle, just like this, and just choose the central part and draw a line and follow his head shape. I want to draw here like this. So yes, I prefer to draw hair like McDonald's shape in here and here. Yeah. So yes. Add more details, like some hair bits and the sideburn. Hair roots down here. Yes. Okay. And then for this one, I just want to draw the same central parting, but it's curly. It's more like curly hair. So I'm just shape the hair like this first, and McDonald's shape here, and yes, great lightning shape, and then start to draw the curls like this. Just draw it like some instant noodles. And don't forget the hair roots underneath here. Of course, some sideburn. give it some details. Okay. You can curl it like this. And I prefer to curl, let the curls facing to a different direction, like this face here and this here, and just don't let them face to the same correct direction. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So let's move on to this one. For this one, I want to draw his hair like full cover hair bands. So just choose a side for your parting. I choose here. Let's draw the outline of the hair around the head. And just start to draw the bands. You can just draw a line here. That means where your band's gonna stop. So, and then start to draw the bands. Don't forget the hair roots part. And adding some details. Then erase those lines. Yes. So it's better to draw the bands like this. Some parts are more thick, some parts are not thick, like this. Thick, not thick, and thick. Just like this. And I think it's really bad to draw the bands like a chunk of hair like this. That's not very good looking. Okay, just then move on to this one. For this one, I'm going to draw a hairstyle that kind of popular in Taiwan here, and many boys and men like to cut this kind of hairstyle, and it's this kind shape. Start from the hair roots. it. Here I'm also gonna have some hair here. Don't forget the sideburn. And you can add some details like some little hairs will fall down like this here. So when you draw this part, I think most of the people, most of the men, boys, their roots just gonna be like this. Sorry, just and of course some of them have the, what's that called? Yes, some of them has widow's peak, so you can draw it. This. Sideburn and an angle, sideburn, yes. So, okay. This is how I draw boys' hair. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.